What's going on, everyone? This is the Tusk Universal Cable Tie and Buckle Kit. Now this is going to be perfect for those trailside fixes when you start losing hardware and having loose, floppy panels. Now it's going to happen at one point or another. You're going to be out on your machine and a bolt's going to vibrate loose and disappear, or you're going to break some of those plastic push rivets. Now when that happens and these panels start flopping around, you're going to run into a number of different problems. The first issue is as this flops around, it's going to annoy you, it's going to make a lot of noise, but it can also damage or scuff up the panels around it. And then worst case scenario, man, you could lose it altogether. It'll fall off, get ran over, broken, leaving you with an expensive piece that you've got to replace. These cable tie and buckle setups are going to be exactly what you need to fix that. Now, when it comes to these cable ties, these are made out of plastic, and you've got a cinching length of 75 millimeters. Now, on the end of this cable tie, you've got an end that is 20 millimeters across, so it's going to be ready to hold on to a number of different locations. And then you've got the buckle. This buckle is 15 millimeters across, again, ready to hold on a number of different panels. Now to use these, what you're gonna have to do is you've gotta make sure that the location you're gonna use it in, you can get to both sides of the panel. You'll push this cable tie through, and then you'll make sure to orient this buckle in the proper way so that you've got the biting teeth on the cinch teeth. Once you start pulling this on, you're gonna pull it nice and tight, and you're ready to go. You can cut off the access, but this is gonna be perfect for those trailside fixes to make sure you can make it back without losing these expensive panels. You will want to replace these with the proper hardware once you get to where you're going, but this is going to be great. We offer them in a 50 pack and a 100 pack, so they're ready to go in whatever machine you've got to make sure you're ready when the time comes. To get yours, go to the link below, and as always, if you're looking for your place to get ready, Rocky Mountain's the place to be. I'm Trent, thanks so much for watching.